In this video I'm showing how I changed the air filter on a 2022 Honda CRF250F. I'll be replacing the OEM air filter that came with the bike with one of these pre-oiled air filters from No Toil. To get started, I used an 8mm socket to remove this screw and the side plastic. Once the screw's out, you should be able to pull on the plastics and pop them right off. Next we have to remove this cover that's over the air box. There's 4 Phillips head screws that hold this cover on. Just remove those and it should come right off. Now we can see the filter inside of the air box here. The filter is held in place by this little metal clip that goes across it. It's kind of spring loaded, so you just press down on one side to release it. Then you can grab the filter and it should slide right out. Mine wasn't gunked up too badly. I ride in a pretty humid climate and I'm too slow to keep up with anybody, so the bike doesn't breathe in a whole lot of dust, so I could see how this could be a lot worse. Anyways, I removed the filter from the little plastic frame that goes on the inside. Since this frame will go on the inside of the new filter and I got it kind of dirty while removing it, I washed it off in the sink and wiped it down. I cleaned out any junk that was left over from the rim of the old air filter. And not that you can eat out of it or anything, but I also made an effort to clean the dust off the sides of the air box. Alright, so new filter time. I'll leave a link to the one I bought in the description. It's pre-oiled. It said it came with gloves. It did not come with gloves, but I got a sticker, so I guess that's something. I took the new filter out of the packaging and then it was time to put the plastic frame inside. There's not a lot to this. The frame has these pins. They just have to line up with the holes in the filter. I fumbled around with this for a minute, so fast forwarding to the good part, it now looks like this. I also got the kit from No Toil that comes with the cleaner, the oil, and the rim grease. The filter's brand new and it's pre-oiled, so I really just need the rim grease for now. I ran a couple beads of grease around the rim of the filter and rubbed it in, and then it was time to put the filter back in the bike. I seated the filter back in the air box and put the spring on to hold it in place. I put the airbox cover back on, and then put the 4 Phillips head screws back in place. And then last thing, I snapped the side plastics back on. And finally put back the 8mm screw that we removed at the start. Alright my friends, that's it for this video. Hit like if it helped you out. See you on the trails.